Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today, we're talking salt. Salt has been used for thousands of years, and even in the ancient times, they used to trade it as currency. Salt is so versatile in its uses, whether it's seasoning your food, preserving, or even getting ice off the highways. We could not, as humans, live without salt. This is just a small list of the different kinds of salts that I found while doing my research for this video. What is your favorite salt? Leave it in the comment section below. I would love to know what you like in your opinion. At its core, salt is made up of sodium chloride, and depending on what type of salt you use will determine what extra additives or minerals have been added or are naturally occurring in the salt. It really depends on how it's processed and how it is harvested, but I'll get into that in a minute. Iodine salt or table salt has added iodine in it and also has anti-caking agents, but it is the most popular salt in the United States. So I was wondering, do you have table salt in your house? Let me know. Next on the list is pink Himalayan salt. It gets its color from the iron oxide and also is mined from one of the largest mines in the world in Pakistan. It also has more minerals than your average table salt. It's just a good salt to have around the house. Another popular salt, kosher salt, is loved by home chefs and professional chefs alike. It's also a very important salt to the Jewish culture as they use it to make their meats and proteins kosher. Next up is sea salt. Depending on where the salt is harvested will depend on how much minerals and different things that the salt has in it. But it's a wildly popular salt in the American diet. Celtic salt was a new salt to me, but I do have some ordered because I want to try it out. Apparently it's harvested on Brittany on the coast of France, and it's got a gray color to it, and it's also wet or a very moist salt. So I'm very interested in giving this one a try. The cool thing about pickling salt is it doesn't have any extra additives to it, and it won't turn your brine gray when preserving and canning. Have a wine salt. The different pink, black, and red is determined about how much iron oxide and volcanic clay is in it. The green salt is actually made out of bamboo. The most popular ways people smoke salt is with hickory, mesquite, and apple wood. This is a great salt to have on hand. Definitely makes meat taste so good. So I guess the final question is, what salts do I use in my kitchen? You will always find me using kosher salt for nearly everything I cook, even to top things off with. I just love this salt. Next one on the list would be pink Himalayan salt. I really do enjoy this salt and use it quite often, especially to top off cookies or something that it just needs to be pretty. But I also really like the Himalayan salt. And my third choice would be pickling salt. Because I can and preserve so much, it is very handy in my kitchen. I always make sure that I have a box or two on hand. Hope you've enjoyed this style of video from me. Thank you so much for joining us today. Hey, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section below if you like this format or you totally hate it. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, I've got one right here waiting for you on how to make homemade ketchup. And we'll see you guys on the next video.